In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram ad mention not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clear cache for the Instagram app. To do that, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option general. Now click on the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app, wait for a few minutes, and then click on Reinstall app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is you will need to update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. And lastly, what you want to do is check the server status of Instagram. To do that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Down Detector, then search for Instagram. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.